Welcome to By Kumi. Today we're making one of my all-time favorites. This Japanese carrot dressing balances sweet and sour with a little bit of creaminess and has a simple list of ingredients. This is my go-to dressing when I want to impress my guests. Let's get started. Please find the ingredients and tools at the end of this video and the recipe on bykumi.com. First, let's prepare the garlic. Peel 1 to 2 cloves of garlic and thinly slice. This is a rather large clove, so one should be enough. Everything will be pureed in a blender, but I've learned that a little chopping up front helps a lot with consistency. Peel enough ginger using a paring knife or an edge of a spoon. Enough for about 2 or 3 teaspoons loosely chopped. Do your best to peel only what you need. Wrap any unused ginger in a paper towel and put inside a plastic bag, then place in the refrigerator. And for longer storage, place the ginger directly in a Ziploc and put it in the freezer. It looks like we have about 3 teaspoons, so we can set this aside with the garlic. Cut off one end of the onion and remove the outer layer. Loosely chop enough for 2 to 3 teaspoons. You can use sweet, yellow, white, or red onions. The raw onion can quickly overpower the dressing, so be careful. I'm using a half tablespoon measuring spoon. 2 of these will make 1 tablespoon or 3 teaspoons. Looks like we have just over 3 teaspoons, enough to set aside. Rinse and peel 1 medium carrot and thinly slice. The dressing will taste better by peeling your carrot. It's time to grab the blender. Add 1/2 cup rice vinegar to the blender container. Add a 1/4 cup neutral oil. Avocado and walnut oil work well. It may be tempting to leave out the oil for calories. However, the oil is important as it helps with nutrient absorption. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons soy sauce or tamari sauce. Add 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Kadoya highly recommended. Add 1/2 teaspoon dry mustard. I use Coleman's. Sprinkle in some salt and ground black pepper. Add 1/4 cup sugar. Add 1 medium carrot. Add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. Add about 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of onion. Place the lid securely on the container and blend until the ingredients are thoroughly mixed and fully pureed. Then stop to taste and balance any of the flavors, especially the ones that need to be pureed. I got lucky. This is really good, and I'm ready to move on. However, most of the time adjustments are needed, particularly with the onion, sugar, and ginger. When satisfied with the flavor, grab a small mixing bowl and add a 1/3 cup mayonnaise. I like to use Vegenaise. Now pour the contents of the blender into the bowl and whisk carefully. Taste again and make any final adjustments. Store the dressing in a glass container, as the raw garlic and onion smell might ruin any plastic pieces. A piece of foil over the top before closing the lid helps prevent the plastic from absorbing any smells and gives a tighter seal. Now place in the refrigerator for later use. And before serving, be sure to give a good stir, as the dressing may have separated. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for more information or a printable recipe, visit bykumi.com. And don't forget to share your photos. We'll see you again soon. Ja ne! The ingredients today: garlic, ginger, onion, carrot, dry mustard, soy sauce or tamari sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, sugar, neutral oil, salt, kosher salt preferred, ground black pepper, mayonnaise. And for the tools: blender, spatulas, cutting board and knife, paring knife or spoon, vegetable peeler, measuring cups, measuring spoons, and a measuring glass is helpful, spoons, small mixing bowl, whisk, measuring cup, storage container, foil, serving plates.